Have you ever wondered how far artificial intelligence can go in creating new, original content? As we stand on the cusp of 2023, the rapid acceleration of AI technology is undeniably transforming our world. From healthcare to entertainment, AI has left an indelible mark. But the most intriguing part? The potential of AI to generate unique, creative content, pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines could do. To answer that question, we need to understand what generative AI is. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, has the unique ability to create new, previously unseen content. It's like having an artist in your computer, endlessly crafting original pieces. But what exactly is it and how does it work? Well, generative AI is a category of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning models to produce content. It's like a digital brainstorming partner, always ready to come up with fresh ideas. And it's not limited to one type of content. Whether it's a melodious piece of music, an engaging script for a video, or a realistic-looking image, generative AI can create it all. At its core, generative AI is built on algorithms and machine learning models. It's like an eager student constantly learning and improving. The more data it has, the better it becomes at generating new content. It starts by analyzing vast amounts of data, learning patterns, structures, and nuances. It then uses this knowledge as a foundation, a launching pad to create something entirely new. But here's the kicker. Generative AI isn't just regurgitating what it's learned. It's not like a parrot, mindlessly repeating what it's heard. Instead, it's more akin to a jazz musician, taking elements it's learned and improvising, creating a unique and original piece. So, generative AI is not just regurgitating data, but it's actually creating something new. At its core, generative AI uses something called neural networks. Now, these aren't your typical networks, but rather they're designed to mimic the human brain's own neural network, with interconnected nodes working in harmony to process information and make decisions. You see, generative AI is like a master student. It uses algorithms to analyze and learn from patterns within a given set of training data. This data can be anything, from a collection of paintings to a library of music tracks. The AI absorbs the essence of this data, studying every minute detail, every subtle nuance. But here's where it gets fascinating. The AI doesn't just copy what it sees. Oh no, it goes a step further. It uses the patterns it has learned to generate entirely new content. Imagine a student who, after studying a textbook, doesn't just regurgitate the information, but instead creates a whole new chapter, a chapter that fits seamlessly within the context of the book. This is the magic of generative AI. It doesn't just replicate, it creates. It brings into existence original content that's influenced by what it's learned, yet distinct in its own right. It's a process that's as dynamic as it is transformative. With its ability to learn and create, generative AI is indeed a game changer. Although still in its stages of development, generative AI has already shown immense potential. Let's take a quick recap of the main points we've covered. Generative AI, at its core, is a branch of artificial intelligence that leverages machine learning and neural networks to create new, original content. From generating realistic human faces to crafting entire pieces of music, this technology is pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was only possible by human imagination. But what does this mean for us? The potential applications of generative AI are vast and far-reaching. In the realm of content creation, it's already being used to create stunning visual effects in films and realistic characters in video games. It's even entered the world of journalism, writing news articles and reports that are indistinguishable from those written by a human. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. As it evolves, we can expect to see it play a larger role in areas like scientific research, healthcare, and more. However, the most exciting aspect of generative AI is its ability to revolutionize creativity. By automating the creative process, it allows us to explore new ideas and perspectives that might have been overlooked or deemed impossible. It's not here to replace human creativity, but to augment it, opening up a world of possibilities we've yet to imagine. As we continue to explore its potential, one thing's for sure, generative AI is reshaping the way we create and consume content.